Hello, welcome to the demo of DB Copilot, also known as Postgres Copilot, because it can connect to Postgres SQL databases for now. So once you have the application up and running, you can use the slash generate SQL command with the natural language query, like for which you want the SQL to be generated, like I'm doing it over here. Once you do that, you will have the generated SQL and the explanation for the SQL for why the LLM thinks it's correct. If you think the SQL is correct, you can use the slash approved command and it will save the natural language question and the SQL along with it. And if you think that the SQL is not correct, you can provide it a feedback using the slash feedback command. This SQL that is generated is correct, but for the demo purposes, to show you how the slash feedback command works, I just asked the Copilot to change the year from 2011 to 2015. And as you can see, it generated the sequel with the year 2015 instead of 2011. Of course, the result preview shows there is no data because there is no data about the year 2015 in the database. But this was just an example. And now once I feel that this SQL is correct, I can use the slash approved command and it will update its memory. This may take a few seconds or a couple of seconds. Once it's done, I'll show you how the feedback and insights and the natural language question and the approved SQL are stored inside the memory folder. All right, the memory has been updated. As you can see, this is the feedback where it will store the natural language question, the all the feedback iterations, uh, all the reasons for why the correct SQL was correct. Here are the insights that it gained from the feedback, and here are the natural language questions and the SQL pairs which have been approved by the user.